Defense attorneys could be getting a bump in pay plus 15% if a bill introduced by freshman Senator Roy Quinata becomes law. Bill 33 would tap into FY 2023 General Appropriations and other funds available from prior years to pay for the increases. The measure stating it would benefit those at the Public Defender's Service Corporation and alternate public defenders.
It will hurt the people's ability to protect themselves using the AG's office.
Attorney General Douglas Moylan sent a letter to lawmakers today hoping they would kill the bill.
Will cause crime victims to have no relief through our court system and the juries. You're going to take away the prosecutors from the Attorney General's office.
Attorney Peter Santos with the alternate public defender's office saying it's about equal treatment, noting prosecutors already got their 15% to do an equally stressful job.
We do the same nature, the same work, even to a more stressful degree, because we're dealing with the defendants, right? So we have to go into DOC all the time. They don't have to go into DOC all the time. We have to do a lot of extra work, and we have less resources than they do. So it's about parity.
Santos claiming the problem at the AG's office is leadership and not pay. He calls Moylan's opposition
illogical and delusional in my opinion. People don't go and work to be a prosecutor for the money, and they don't leave for money either. They work to be a prosecutor because they want to.
Public Defender Stephen Hattori renewed his request to senators today for the salary increase and shared support for Bill 33. He also calls the AG's response hypocritical and absurd, stating defense attorneys are frontliners that work throughout the pandemic. We have recruitment difficulties due to the nature of the work. Instead of fighting to maintain inequity, shouldn't the AG worry about his side of the house? Hattori adding, we just want a level playing field and a balanced scale of justice.
Well, that says a lot about nothing when I listen to that statement. You want a balanced playing field? The attorneys on Guam are already getting paid a premium. Everybody, prosecutors and defense attorneys that work for the government, got a 6% increase in their salaries. The 15% only for prosecutors, not for the civil attorneys, child support attorneys, or anyone else, got a 15% for their salaries because the legislature believes protecting the crime victims, protecting our loved ones, ourselves out there, is more important than protecting these people that have a constitutional right to an attorney, but are being accused of wrongdoing.
Public Defender Hattori tells senators the pay disparity undermines the legitimacy of the criminal legal system in the eyes of the public. But Moylan wants the bill sponsor to know,
if the senators want to help us, and I invite Senator Quinata to meet with us at the Attorney General's office so that I can explain to him why this bill, especially if it was given to him by the public defenders, is actually going to make those that voted for him less safe.